Hi, I'm Jack from Veterinary IT Services, and this week I'm going to answer some questions about what happens once you book in a free chat with one of our veterinary IT experts. We want to take the mystery out of your interaction with us. IT can be complicated enough without not knowing what to expect when you approach us for some advice or inquire about our services. So, in this short video, I'll explain our sales process step by step so that at all stages of your interaction with us, we are on the same page. So once you book a quick chat or free consultation, during this chat, we aim to get a good idea of the pains and frustrations that you have at your veterinary practice and the challenges you need help with. Topics that often come up are systems running slowly, poor internet connection causing havoc, PMS problems, and setting up new practices. If at the end of this conversation we feel we can add value to your business, we will encourage you to book a free on-site discovery session. So next up is the on-site discovery session. Now, the overall goal of the discovery is to gather as much information as possible to get a clear picture of the setup so we can recommend the most appropriate solution. So we usually send an IT manager and an IT solutions consultant. Now, the IT manager will sit down with you and your team to delve into your current IT frustrations. We love this part of the session as we get to listen to you and your team and start to come up with ideas on how we can improve efficiencies and use our problem-solving skills to recommend solutions. Meanwhile, the IT solutions consultant will be running a full scan of your complete IT environment, whilst also getting photos and floor plans. This will help us to understand the foundations with which we will be working and how to best build a solution that best fits your individual practice. We then move on to presenting your solution. Now, the key thing with the presentation appointment is that all decision makers are available and present to attend so they can have a first-hand account of the solutions we're suggesting. Ideally, we like to do this face-to-face so we can run through all the components of the solution we've created for you, relating each one back to your requirements so that you can understand why we're recommending it. Now, the goal of the presentation is to cover the following areas: summarise your current setup, clarify your requirements and what you want moving forward, breaking down the components of the solutions we're recommending for your practice and explaining what they are and why you need them, a brief summary of the solution and what it looks like overall, a description of how we would implement the solution, and once we've covered off all you need to know about the solution, we then address the associated costs. Now, we'd like to think at this stage that you'll see the value of the solution that we've put together for you and want to sign up straight away. But we understand that you might want to take some time to really digest the information and formulate more questions. So after discussion with you, we might decide to book in a follow-up meeting. So for some of you, you'll go through the follow-up stage. Once you've had some time to digest our proposal, we'll organise this follow-up meeting where you can tell us if you'd like to go ahead and work with us. If you do, then that's great. We'll be excited to get started on helping your practice reach its full potential. But if you aren't quite ready to commit just yet, no worries. We'll answer any last few questions you have and we'll stay in touch. I hope this video has answered any questions you have about our sales process and what to expect when you start to work with us. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more, check out our full blog, What to Expect Once You Contact Us. Don't forget to subscribe, but also check out our blog for up-to-date tips and tricks.